Once valued at a staggering $74 billion, this week filed for bankruptcy in a stunning downfall. First things first, what is WeWork? WeWork is an American company that provides shared working spaces, community, and services for entrepreneurs, freelancers, startups, and small businesses alike. The company has since grown to over 700 locations in almost 40 countries worldwide. At its peak, WeWork was hailed as a revolutionary force in the workspace industry, providing stylish and flexible offices for entrepreneurs, startups, and freelancers. However, beneath the success, WeWork's foundations were crumbling. So, let's look into what led to WeWork's bankruptcy. WeWork filed for bankruptcy on the 6th of November this year. One of the factors that led to WeWork's bankruptcy is their high debt. WeWork had a large amount of debt, which was exacerbated by the company's rapid growth. The company's debt was estimated to be around a staggering $10 billion at the time of its bankruptcy filing. Another factor was their unsustainable business model. WeWork's business model was based on signing long-term leases for office space and then subletting that space to its members on a shorter-term lease. This model was unsustainable because WeWork often had to pay more for its leases than it could charge its members. Another contributing factor was their mismanagement. WeWork was plagued by mismanagement, particularly under the leadership of its co-founder, Adam Newman. Newman was known for his extravagant spending and his lack of focus on profitability. And lastly, we can't forget about the COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic had a devastating impact on WeWork's business. As more people began working from home, demand for co-working space plummeted. As a result, the company's revenue also plummeted and its debt burden became insurmountable. WeWork's bankruptcy filing is a cautionary tale for businesses of all sizes. It also possibly marks an end of an era in the workspace industry. Despite its collapse, WeWork has left a mark on the commercial real estate landscape. The company's emphasis on community, flexibility, and design has reshaped the way people think about workspaces. In the aftermath of WeWork's bankruptcy, the co-working industry is likely to undergo some significant changes. The company's spectacular rise and fall serves as a stark reminder that even the most promising ventures can crumble when ambition outpaces prudence. And make sure you follow XCB to stay up to date with the latest trading and investing news.